Hello, and thank you for joining me. I'm going to show you how to personalize your 31 website name. So first you're going to go to 31today.com. You're going to log in with your consultant ID number and your password. So here we go. Once you sign in, you'll need to go to your virtual office up here. And then once it loads, you will want to go to, give it a second, loading. Home, profile, click on profile, and then here is where you're going to update your information, and then you go up to where it says my website information. And then right there is where you're going to do options, and you're going to personalize. And then right here is where you can personalize your website. So this is my website name. So you would put how you want it to appear there. And then you could put a description in there if you would like. And then you could click all the information that you want them to show that pertains to you. So you can show as much or as little as you want. And then you make sure you have a description down there, just something quick and easy. And then you'll hit save at the bottom. And then there you go. And then when you look back, right there, it should show you your new website. I'll still show you with your numbers on the top here, but then down here I'll show you with what your website is with your new, whatever you personalize as. Okay.